with the different concepts. They're going to be on this test. This does not involve dividing. Dividing will not happen until tomorrow. I'll have a warm-up on that for tomorrow, dealing with the factoring. But for today, we're just dealing with the multiplying, the addition, the subtraction, then the multiplication and addition or subtraction in here. And you need to know what to do on each problem. It's not going to say, on this problem, you do this, because you have to know based on what's here. Guys, for this first one, these two are right next to each other. That means we need to do what? Add, subtract, multiply. Multiply. In order to multiply a binomial times a binomial, what's that little acronym that you're going to use? Oh, guys, you need to know this. FOIL. F-O-I-L. FOIL. First, add, or in, or last. We are going to multiply the first two. So we are going to multiply the x times the 2x. X times 2x is going to make it 2x squared. Then we're going to multiply the outer two. The outer two are going to be the x and the negative 4. X times negative 4 is going to make it negative 4x. 3 times 2x is going to put it at plus 6x. And then 3 times negative 4 is going to put it at negative 12. You're going to combine like terms. These two right here in the middle need to be combined. That's going to put it at 2x squared. Guys, what's negative 4 and positive 6? 2x. So plus 2x, and then the minus 12 goes on the end. This is simplified because it is now in standard form. It goes from the highest power down to the lowest power. And it is simplified as far as you can put it. You cannot add things that have different variables to different powers. So you are done. Questions, concerns, anything about it? Okay, on the next one, we're adding. Guys, it's like the parentheses don't exist at all. It's really like x plus 3 plus 2x minus 4. It's like the parentheses aren't even there when you have an addition sign in the middle. And then you're just going to combine like terms. Combine like terms. That's what you do when you have addition. To do that, you are going to combine the x and the 2x. Guys, they're both x to the first power. Do not change the exponent when you add and subtract like terms. Do not change the exponent when you add and subtract like terms. What is x plus 2x? 3x. Because you're really adding the 1 and the 2, that's going to give you 3x. Then you're going to add the 3 and the negative 4. What's 3 minus 4? Minus 1, negative 1, however you want to say it, it doesn't matter. They're both correct. And that is as simplified as you can possibly get on that problem. And that is the answer. It is from highest power down to lowest power, and you are done. Okay, on subtraction, there is no such thing as subtraction. Guys, we've talked about this. You're going to treat it like addition. To do that, you're going to have to distribute this negative. It's really a negative 1 right here. So we're going to really have to distribute this negative 1 to everything behind here. So you're going to change it to a plus, and you're going to make these the opposite of what they were to begin with. This is now going to be a negative. This is now going to be a positive. Now we are going to combine like terms. The like terms that we've got are x and negative 2x. Guys, what is x plus negative 2x? What's x plus negative? Really, what number are you doing, guys? What number's in front of the x? So 1. What's 1 plus negative 2? Negative 1. So we'd write it as what? We say the opposite of x, but yes. Okay. And then we're going to combine the 3 and the 4, which is going to give us what? 7. Plus 7. It's a positive 7. Guys, two very different answers. And the only difference between those two problems was one had a plus and one had a minus. That was it. But it changed everything. Those answers are not anything alike. Okay. Any questions so far on these? So on this one, add the opposite, just so we're very clear what we're doing, and then we combine like terms. Add the opposite and combine like terms. Okay, guys, last one. The last problem involves what property first? What property do we have to use first? It is the distributive property. We are going to distribute to both of these before we do anything else. This is multiplication when you have a number in front of a parentheses. So we're going to multiply 4 times x, which is going to be 4x. We're going to multiply 4 times 3, which is going to be 12. Then we're going to multiply negative 3 times 2x, which is going to be negative 6x. And then negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Okay, guys, can that be my answer? No. What do I still need to do? Combine like terms. I still need to combine like terms. So I'm going to put together the x's first. Guys, 4 and negative 6x. That's very different than here. This one was negative 4 and positive 6. This is positive 4 and a negative 6. What do you get? Negative 2x. Good. And then I'm going to deal with the 12 and the 12. I'm going to use straight lines for that one. 12 and 12. 12 plus 12 is going to put us at 24. And that would be your simplified answer. Does anybody have any questions about these before we put this up? Knowing the difference between those 4 concepts is a really big deal for this test. Okay.